Alan from AliExpress contacted me. He wanted to send me these gas struts for my trunk right there, and he wants me to try them out for him. I will do this with my pleasure. Thank you very much, Alan, and I will give you my honest review about this product. So the installation is actually simple. All we need to do is just to replace this with this. That's it. Okay, to make the things easier, just use something to support your trunk. Now let's put this one first. You just can press on it and it should, there you go. And the other one now. Oops. Just a moment. There you go. It fits perfectly on this car. Now let's do the other side. Okay, now let's take this one off. And I must say, now it's holding one strut right there, and this is awesome. Very good. Okay, let's press this one like so. And that's it. Nothing difficult. This is before. Okay, this is after. It has here a little springs. You just need to press on it a little. It's kind of a self-opening mechanism here, which I found good. Just give it a little push. Beautiful. I must say, Alan, this is good.